Hi, in this short guide I'll show you 3 easy ways to indent text in Microsoft Word so your documents are clearer and easier to read. First, let's look at paragraph indents. To increase the indent of a paragraph, select the text with your mouse so it's highlighted. Then, from the Home ribbon, go to the Paragraph group. Click the Increase Indent icon. This moves the whole paragraph inward and makes the page easier to scan. To decrease the indent, click the other icon with arrow pointing towards right. Next, the first line indent. To add a first line indent, select the paragraph you want to change. Click the Expand icon under the Paragraph section of the Home ribbon to open the Paragraph dialog box. Under Indentation, open the special drop-down, choose First Line, increase or decrease the indent. The preview can be seen in the preview box. And then click OK. Finally, the hanging indent. Hanging indents push every line except the first one inward. To create a hanging indent, select the paragraph you want to change. Open the Paragraph dialog box the same way. Go to Indentation, and in the special drop-down choose Hanging. The preview can be seen in the preview box. Increase or decrease the indent. Click OK to apply it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Word tips, and leave a comment telling me which formatting trick you want next.